Let's face it, painting your house or your garage, inside or out, it's not a fun or glamorous job. It's not all that difficult to do on a skill level, but it's just not something that I look forward to. Painting itself isn't bad, but often the prep and the cleanup take the most time. For today's quick tip, I've got 5 painting gadgets that can help make your painting job just a little bit easier and faster. I'm Tom, and welcome to Allie Picked. First of all, I'm not trying to be a QVC salesman here.
It's a very easy situation to operate. You just push the buttons in right here on the 2 sides. Hey, listen, just walk right up. And I tell you, it's very safe, it's durable, and it's lightweight.
You're scaring me.
So really, see, now it's locked in place, okay? So really, you say,
oh God, Harold, are you okay?
Actually, I didn't have it locked.
But recently, I had a chance to pick some products from the Rolling Dog company catalog. Now, they have tons of painting products, and I found these 5 that I thought were interesting and I wanted to check them out for myself. So I'm going to show them to you because I think there's something here that you might be interested in as well. Here's a pack of 4 different size Fitch brushes. These are designed for detailed work, for touching up small areas, reaching tight spaces, and applying precise paint strokes in intricate areas. I tested the larger Fitch brush using some polyurethane on a small project I recently worked on. It did provide a nice, smooth finish. I really like these brushes. This is a paintbrush comb and a roller cleaner. When you're cleaning out your brush, this comb really helps to remove the paint easier. My only suggestion is that when you're using a paint comb like this that's stamped out of flat steel, it's a good idea to remove some of the sharp edges using a small file. Otherwise, these style combs can be a little bit rough on your brush. Here's a paintbrush comb by the Purdy company. It's a great idea except for the fact that the teeth keep falling out. Here's a gadget that I really like, and it's not just for sanding walls or for drywall. This is a great little Velcro sanding pad that I can use for refinishing furniture or anything else that needs sanding. It has a nice, comfortable rubber grip, and it comes with various grits of sandpaper. This is a mini extension paint roller. Not only will it help you reach some high places, it's also adjustable for various angles. The shaft is a standard size and it fits a variety of mini rollers. Here's an adjustable angled brush. I do like the package that it comes in. It's easy to open, not like some of those plastic shell cases that are bomb-proof. You can hold this like a standard brush or press the button in to adjust the angle. Now, is this a necessary product? Not really, but having the option is nice. I do wish that the handle had a hole in it so I could hang this up on a hook or a nail when it's not in use. So if any of these are interesting to you, I'll have links in the video description. I'm Tom, this is Allie Picked, and thanks for watching.